Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So I just spent the past hour finishing up an endgame video and then my computer crashed. So I'm not going to redo it today. I'm going to just do some puzzle rush here. So actually I did resubscribe to chess.com because I think this feature is really cool. It only allows one. I just got the cheap membership. All right, so let's start here. I'm trying to get the 35. All right. Checkmate. All right, take the knight. Let's see here. So I'll try to be more descriptive. Obviously, the purpose of this is to go as fast as possible. Checkmate. Checkmate. I guess win that. Let's see. No, that doesn't work. Win and checkmate. Do I want to bring... I think I want to threaten checkmate. I think that's the key here, is just threaten checkmate. That's all you have to do. Okay, so checkmate. He is threatening my queen. That's not very nice. I guess I could just take with the rook. Okay, so don't overthink these things. Second lesson, checkmate. Looks like a fork wins a piece. I feel like there has to be something more than... Yeah, I've really been working on making sure I look to the end of the line with this thing, because that's a big problem I've had with my tactics. Making sure there's no bishop check. Oh, I guess I can win that rook, or win the bishop, I mean. The knight would have interposed, and then you take the knight. Checkmate. All right, so I'm up to 21, doing pretty good so far. Take. No mistakes. Yeah, I really have to work on my tactics because I've been very, very, very sloppy. What is going on here? Just take? All right. I gotta move quicker here. Let's see. Take a counting error. What? Okay, so there has to be... He was trying to trick me. And then checkmate. Oh. There we go. Okay, so if I check... No. Okay, so... Is there a check before? I guess... This would still be kind of hard, but I guess... Oh, I see it. You don't want to take the queen. It wants you to check and then mate. You don't want to take with the other pawn because then the queen would take and you might not get your mate. Okay. Coming up, this is where it gets hard for me. It gets hard. It's getting hard. Here we go. Damn it. Damn it. There we go. I get my mate. It's hard to get the mate. Hard to get my mate. Okay, so let's see. I could take here and then have a discovery. I guess you just take and then what does it want from me? It wants me to get my king in, so I don't have to. No. 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 Okay, well, I did set a new record for myself. I really wanted to get to 35. That was close.